Hi and welcome to a brand new vlog series. If you've not watched us before, my name's Richard. I make coffee on YouTube and TikTok as well. So this vlog series is all about Halloween. I'm going to show you how to bling up your drinks and make them Halloween themed. This one that we're doing now is a chocolate frappe and we're going to blast off with some Halloween themes. So we're going to make a start with your kit list. And here we go. This one I'm going to put coffee in. So I'm going to run a 2-shot espresso shot. Pop that in. We need your cream. We need your frappe powder. We've got some toppings there as well. So we've got bats and cats. We've got chocolate chips. We've got hundreds and thousands. We've got our ice. We've got our whole milk. Not forgetting chocolate sauce. We've got our frappe glass and of course the blender. I always talk about the blender. The blender is Tefal and it's called Blend Force. That seems to be really good at chopping up the ice and making that really nice smooth frappe. Right, let's get this frappe started. I'm going to first add the ice. I'm going to add the frappe powder. I'm going to add milk. Okay, just so you know, measurement wise, just under half a glass. I'm going to add some chocolate chips. Some chocolate sauce. Plenty of chocolate sauce. And finally I'm going to add the coffee. Okay, I'm going to put the lid on. So with this blender I'm going to run it on number 1 for a little bit, and then once I've heard that the chopping of the big pieces of ice is finished, I'm going to speed it up, I'm going to slow it down and watch it thicken. So we're ready now to build the frappe. I'm going to start with putting some chocolate sauce around the outside, just squeezing the sauce in at like a zigzag motion. There we go. And we're going to pour in the frappe. I've put coffee in this one, but you don't need to put coffee. You can see those nice chopped up pieces of chocolate chip in there as well. Always put the lid back on just to make sure I don't knock it over. Okay, we're going to put our cream. And we're going to dress it with cats and bats. Hundreds and thousands. And up everywhere. Drizzle some chocolate sauce. And there we go. And there we go. One Halloween themed chocolate frappe with coffee. And just to finish, I'm going to put a straw. There we go. Ready for the taste test. Here we go. So I've got my chocolate frappe. Let's give it a taste. Oh yeah, I like that. Really, really nice. Really good. So that's your chocolate frappe. I've added some coffee. And all I did with the cream was just add some food colouring from Tesco's, or other places are available, other retailers. And then I bought some little bits and pieces to dress it. You can use jelly sweets, you can use chocolate, you can use anything you like. I just thought bats and cats was a great thing. Some different coloured hundreds and thousands, bit of sauce on top, bit of food colouring in the cream, and there we go. So have a go. Let me know how you got on. Give us a like, give us a subscribe if you want to see some more, and watch out for the next video in our vlog series. Thank you.